So which app is very important? Like why people are talking about like either we should use this app, either we should use this app, because these days it's very difficult to find the dates to return the fee. Which fee? £5? No. If your test is failed after that, how you can use this app? Theory test goals, and there are some hazard perception goals. Let me again clear this 14 days game for you people. Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So in this video today we are going to talk about like which material we should use if someone is going to appear in like DVLA, DVSA, driving theory test. So which app is very important? So you must be knowing like there are two apps available. One is official DVSA app and the other one is this app which I am going to show you in the corner of the screen. So why it is important, like why people are talking about like either we should use this app, either we should use this app, why it's so important, why people are discussing this app is just like a matter of £5. Both of the apps have similar price like £4.99. Then why people are so much interested in talking about these apps? So the important thing is this: these days the money is not so much important. Like you are going to book your driving theory test in £23. If you are living in the United Kingdom, £23 is not a big amount. So the thing is, if you are going to appear in the driving theory test, definitely you will book the test before going for the test. So when you open the browser and you search for the booking dates, you will see like if this is a May, then you are going to find the dates of August and September. So this is the main reason like why people are talking about this. You have to pass this test in the first attempt, because these days it's very difficult to find the dates. Like you cannot find a date if you're not so much lucky. You will find the date like after 2 months, 3 months and even 4 months as well. So this is very important. So in this video I am going to show you this app. This app is very important because when you book the test, you are going to pay the fee of £23. So, and you will get this app in just £5. So this app is important because they are going to give you the surety, they are going to give you the guarantee. Like if you are going to use this app, definitely you will pass this test. But unfortunately, if your test is failed after using this app, then they are going to return the fee. Which fee? £5? No, they are going to return the £23, the fee of the exam, the fee of the driving theory test. So this is the importance of this app. This is the main benefit of using this app. Both the apps, DVSA official app and this app, both app are same. The price of both apps is same. But this app is giving you the guarantee that if you are not going to pass your test after using this app, they are going to return the fee. That is £23, the fee of your driving theory test booking. So you will get £23. So now I will tell you that how you can use this app. This is not like I am going to appear in my test tomorrow and I am going to take this app today, and if I fail tomorrow they are going to return me £23. No, this is not the point. So the point is you have to use this app as per the recommendations, as per the criterias, as per the rules mentioned by the app maker. So it is very important. I will take you to the screen and I will tell you that which rules, which recommendations and which way you have to use this app. So if you are going to follow this rule and if still you fail in the test, definitely they are going to return you £23. So guys, this is the app Theory 4-in-1. When you will click on this app, Theory Test 4-in-1 Kit, this is the app which is going to give you £23 if unfortunately after using this app you will fail your test. So what you have to do, you have to click over here, free pass guarantee. They are going to give the surety that if you will use this app, definitely you are going to pass. But there are some conditions which you have to follow if you want a £23 cash back if you fail your test. So when you will click on the free pass guarantee, this page will open in front of you. Here you can see these are few of the conditions which you have to fulfill if you want £23 back unfortunately if you fail your test. So what you have to do, you can see over here there are two things, theory test goals and there are some hazard perception goals. So what you have to do with the theory test goal is that you have to enter your real test details over here. Like my test was on 2nd of May, so I entered my real test date over here in this. So after this, what you have to do, you have to correctly answer all the theory questions. Almost 750 theory questions are given in this app. You have to read those questions and you have to answer all the questions correctly. Like unfortunately, if there are few questions which were attempted wrong, what you have to do, you can re-attempt those questions as well. So the third criteria is like you have to pass all the 6 theory mock tests at 96% or the higher marks. So after doing these 3 criterias, there is a 4th criteria as well. In the 4th criteria, there are 4 theory mock tests. You have to pass those mock tests as well with at least 96% or the higher marks. So if you are going to fulfill these 4 criterias within 14 days of your exam, unfortunately, if you will fail your test, they will return you £23. But let me clear this thing for you people. The thing is that you have to keep in your mind 14 days. You have to complete all these criterias, all these 4 criterias 14 days before your exam. So after the theory mock test goal, there are the hazard perception goals as well. You have to watch all the hazards video given in this app. Then you have to attempt the hazard perception 20 tests, 20 videos as well. After this, you have to pass 6 hazards mock tests with 80% or the higher marks. And then you have to pass the 4 hazards mock tests with 80% of the higher during the 14 days before your exam. Let me again clear this 14 days game for you people. Actually, you have to fulfill all these 8 criterias, 4 from the theory mock test and 4 from the hazard perception goals. You have to fulfill these 8 criterias within 14 days. Like if your exam is on the 2nd of the May, you have to complete these 8 criterias within 14 days. Like you cannot do in a way like you are going to attempt one mock test today and you are going to attempt rest of the mock test after 15 days or after a month. This is not acceptable at all. You have to understand this 14 days game. Please keep in mind, this is very important point.